So Madam here, she had 6 kittens on December the 15th last year. 2 black kittens and 4 black and white. And we ended up having 4 boys and 2 girls, didn't we? Yes, we did. Standing up by the door. Come on then. Hello. Whoa. Hello. 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 Hello.
No, she heard your voice.
Hello.
And she's trying to climb out.
What are you all doing? We have some escape artists. Literally went into the office and they've all planned this escape. They all ran out into the hallway. So Mr. is busy on the phones, so I've had to sort all these out, and now I've got 6 very lively kittens on my very untidy bed. Hello, you. Oh God. Yes, causing mayhem. Hello. And this is the one where you keep in, the one who has half a white face, half a black face. And yeah, I know, baby, you want to go play. Did you want to go and play? So this is the one that we are keeping because he's just too cute. And we had to keep one. And we are going to call him Jacko.